Hello and welcome to week 2 of Statistics 1 here in the spring of 2019. For chapter 1, I hope you found everything you needed to find as far as getting set up for this course. That includes the textbook itself, able to log on to the Slack discussion space, and also able to complete the math practice prompts that I had posted there for week 1. In week 1, in chapter 1, the textbook itself was basically an introduction, an overview to statistics, and it provided also a number of important vocabulary terms that we're going to use throughout the year, and that list is condensed there on page 17 in the textbook if you want to use it. Also, the math practice prompts, they were designed to kind of get you in a number sense, mental thinking about mathematics, not necessarily about statistics yet, but some of the math that are on those 25 items are going to be the basis for some of the things that we do here in this course. So it was mainly to be a review to knock the rust off. I know a number of us haven't had a math course in quite a while, and it wasn't meant to be a struggle for you. But if it was, one thing I want to point out is feel free again. I'd really like to encourage the use of the Slack discussion space. Since we're not in the physical classroom together, we don't have the ability to kind of call time out real quick and review some of the topics. So I tried to model it here in the Slack discussion space in what I posted there in Talking Stats, Talking Statistics. You can see here, for example, I post a question here about number 16 on that review packet or review assignment. And it was not meant to be me testing you to see if you understand it. I wanted to model what type of question you might want to ask each other here. So this was out there for anybody to answer. And again, we're here as a team working through this together. And my goal is to have you success throughout it. So if this site here in the Talking Statistics can help you pose questions and get some feedback from your colleagues here, from your peers in the class, or from me, let's use it. As far as week 2, we're going to transition to now using some of the statistics, moving forward to doing things with stats. So we're taking a look at data in tables and graphs. Read chapter 2. It kind of walks you through what a histogram is, what a frequency distribution is, how you might want to collect data in an organized fashion, and then do something with it. Please watch the screencasts about using Excel to create a frequency tables and histograms. It's in the Excel Tools tab over here. And in this tab, due to the fact that this is the first week we're using this, the first actual video you might want to watch here is preparing Excel for data analysis. Watch this carefully, especially if you have not been using the data analysis tool feature on Excel. Once you do this and follow the steps on this video one time, as long as you're using the same computer, you should be able to use this data analysis tool. We're going to use this frequently throughout the course. But please watch this video and set up your computer as such. If you need help, let me know. The other 2 videos that I would highly recommend here for this week are using Excel to create frequency distributions and histograms, and then also editing histograms once you have them set up. So these 2 videos should be helpful here. Again, not looking to get very mathy in this course. I'm looking to provide you with tools through Excel or anything else to allow you to crunch some data, not the hard way, but allowing technology to help us, and then also how to use that data in either decision making or presentations. So again, take a look at the Excel tools, and these first three actually here should be very helpful. Reviewing back to week by week in the week 2. The other thing I'm going to walk you through right now is this. There are 2 prompts in the text I'd like you to use Excel to answer and then submit. And I've already created an Excel sheet. If you use this, click on this button here. I already created an Excel sheet that has all the data already placed in it that goes along with the prompts from this chapter. And the first step is then once you get up to here, you need to also then go to the three dots, more actions, and then download. So to do anything to this Excel sheet, you want to download the Excel sheet, open it up, and you want to enable editing. And then I recommend that you save this with your name in it, save as, and then downloads and save it with your name in it. And then you may use this Excel sheet right here to help answer the prompts here from chapter 2. So that would be a big step I recommend you taking care of also. I have a link here to, again, one of the Excel screencasts that might help you. So those are the two key things here. Watch the screencasts and get a little used to using Excel and that data analysis tool, which will be very helpful throughout the course, and also complete these two items and submit them by next Monday night on the 28th. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Feel free to post things on the Slack discussion space again. Again, I'd like to picture this as our electronic classroom right here. So feel free to talk, pose questions, kind of electronically raise your hand, and I hope to answer anything that you have. Good luck with this week. Thank you very much.